Shine is a beautiful thing on your hair, lips, and nails, that's for certain. Shine on your face, however, can get tricky. There's a difference between having a gleaming, strategically placed highlight accentuating your cheekbones and having a greasy slickness coating every inch of your T-zone. Oily skin is the result of the overproduction of sebum from sebaceous glands. These glands are located under the skin's surface. Sebum is an oily substance made of fats. Sebum isn't all bad since it helps protect and moisturize your skin and keep your hair shiny and healthy. Too much sebum, however, may lead to oily skin, which can lead to clogged pores and acne. Genetics, hormone changes, or even stress may also increase sebum production. Oily skin and acne are challenging to manage. Still, home remedies often reduce symptoms without the use of prescription drugs or expensive skincare regimens. Here are some remedies for oily skin you can try at home. 1. Wash your face. It seems obvious, but many people with oily skin don't wash their face daily. Wash with a gentle soap and warm water. Avoid soaps with fragrances, added moisturizers, or harsh chemicals, which can irritate or dry out the skin, making it respond by creating more sebum. Avoid loofahs and rough washcloths, as added friction may stimulate the skin to make more oil. 2. Apply honey. Honey is one of nature's most revered skin remedies. Thanks to its antibacterial and antiseptic abilities, it may benefit oily and acne-prone skin. Honey is also a natural humectant, so it helps keep the skin moist but not oily. This is because humectants draw moisture from the skin without replacing it. To use honey to treat acne and oily skin, spread a thin layer, preferably raw, onto your face, let it dry for about 10 minutes, and rinse thoroughly with warm water. 3. Use oatmeal. Oatmeal helps calm inflamed skin and absorb excess oil. It also helps exfoliate dead skin. When used in facial masks, oatmeal is usually ground. It can be combined with yogurt, honey, or mashed fruits such as bananas, apples, or papaya. To use oatmeal on your face, combine 1/2 cup ground oats with hot water to form a paste. Stir in 1 tablespoon honey. Massage the oatmeal mixture into your face for about 3 minutes, rinse with warm water, and pat dry. 4. Almonds. Ground almonds not only work to exfoliate your skin, but they also help sop up excess oils and impurities. To use an almond face mask, grind the almonds into a paste before adding the honey. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, and pat dry. A simple precaution, do not use if you have a nut allergy. 5. Use tomatoes. Tomatoes contain salicylic acid, a common acne home remedy. The acids in tomatoes may help absorb excess skin oils and unclog pores. To make an exfoliating tomato mask, combine 1 teaspoon sugar with the pulp of 1 tomato. Apply to the skin in a circular motion. Leave the mask on for 5 minutes. Wash and dry. And 6. Simply pat the face dry. When drying the face after washing and using toner, people should gently pat their skin dry with a soft towel. This should be done with care, however. Pulling down on the skin with a towel, or using a rough washcloth, is not advised, as it may stimulate the skin to create more sebum. A gentle reminder. The ultimate test of effectiveness is a personal experience. A person should find a routine that works for them and stick with it. The best course of action may be to consult a dermatologist and work with them to make a note of daily activities and factors that could cause oily skin. It is essential to test any product or method on a small patch of skin first to note any reactions by the skin. If the skin reacts badly to a certain product, it should not be used again, and people should consult a dermatologist for other options. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. If you want more natural benefits and tips, subscribe to the channel. Have a healthy day.